Hey crocheters, my name is Erin. I'm a crochet pattern designer. I love to learn interesting crochet stitches and teach them to my crochet community. Today I want to teach you about the wattle stitch. The wattle stitch is kind of this stretchy, lacy material. It uses single crochet, double crochet, and chain stitches to create this fun, lacy mesh. I can't wait for you to learn. Let's go and get started. To work up our sample of the wattle stitch, I'm just starting with a foundation row of half double crochets. I made 18 half double crochets. So to start us off, I'm going to chain 2. And that does count as a single crochet. I'm going to skip this first stitch. And then in the next stitch, we're going to start doing this wattle. It's really fun. Okay, what you do is you do a single crochet. And then you do a chain 1. And then you do a double crochet in that same stitch. So in one stitch, you're doing a single crochet, chain 1, and a double crochet. All right, then we're skipping the next stitch. And then we're going to do that same thing again. You're going to work a single crochet in that next one. Chain 1, double crochet in the same stitch. Skip a stitch in the next one, single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. All right, easy peasy. Let's work that across. Single, chain, double, skip a stitch, and here in the last stitch, I'm just going to work a regular single crochet. And then turn. All right, the next row of the wattle stitch, we're going to work very similarly. We're going to chain 2, and that's going to count as a single crochet. So we're going to skip this first single crochet. We're going to skip a double crochet. And then in the chain 1 space that was in between the single and double crochets, you're going to insert your hook and repeat that. So you're going to do single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay. Then you're going to skip over the single crochet, the double crochet, and then go into the chain 1 space. Single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Okay, then find the next chain 1 space, single crochet, chain 1, double crochet. Catching on? We work that wattle stitch in the chain 1 space all the way across. And then end here with a single crochet. And that turning chain. Okay, then chain 2. Turn, and then just repeat that over and over again until you get to your desired length. All right, skip over the single crochet, the double crochet, and then work your wattle stitch. Single, double in that same spot. Isn't that fun? It's like really rhythmic and really easy, and I just love working up the wattle stitch. Then you're going to end up with something like this. Notice on here, I just did chain 1s up the side, and I think that caused this to pucker quite a bit. So I'm hoping that my chain 2 will cause that not to pucker quite so much. But anyway, you end up with this really fun texture. It's kind of lacy. It's really stretchy. Look at that. So fun. Depending on like how loose you do it, we will have a different sort of drape and stretch. Pretty easy, pretty simple. So what did you think of the wattle stitch? I found that I could just crochet that over and over while watching a movie or something. What do you think?
Tell me in the comments, what stitch technique do you want to learn next time? And please subscribe to my YouTube channel so you get more stitch tutorials. Like this video and share it with a friend. Happy crocheting!